So we're gonna try out DJI Action 4 paired with DJI Mic Mini. So I'm gonna go on a simple short ride to check out the wind reduction, to check out the audio quality, and also to see how the overall video output looks like. Let's go. So I'm not yet pretty sure about the camera angle placement. I hope it's recording well. I'm gonna look at it again when I come back and make necessary adjustments. Let's go. Visors down. We are recording. Let's go. Hi, so what is up, people? This is Rahul. We are back on the road. I'm checking out the audio quality and the video quality of DJI Action 4 paired with DJI Mic Mini. So I'm planning to use the same setup while I will be going on a monsoon ride this July towards most definitely I'm planning Maharashtra, or we might go towards the coastal areas and the western Ghats of Karnataka. I will reiterate again, I'm not so sure about the camera placement and the angle, and I'm not sure how much area it is currently recording and how well it is looking on the camera. So everything I'm gonna look at it after I get back from the ride and adjust it later. Right now this will be the intensity at which I'm going to speak into the camera. Okay, so right now what I am understanding is that I do definitely need a lens cover for this camera, because the raindrops as well as the dust particles that I'm getting hit in my hands right now because I'm not wearing any riding gear will take a toll on this camera if I don't use that with camera lens, that is camera protector. Okay, I do feel a little bit of drizzle here, so let's go. It's raining heavy. All right. I need to turn back. Else I'll be drenched in this rain. I'm just trying to push it. What is up, people? This is Rahul, and our vlogs are gonna look like this. All right, bro, let's go. Okay. This is one thing I definitely love about KTM's, man. The braking is so crazy on this damn motorcycle. Why I'm switching accents, I don't know. All right. See, putting on a camera and a mic is definitely going to switch up your accents. Oh God. Also, the wind blast is crazy right now. I am curious to see how the Mic Mini holds up. This will be a good test. If I have to tell one thing, the headlights of KTM Duke 250 Gen 3 new model are not the best. Are not the best. You know, you have to get some auxiliary lights if you plan on touring or riding at night. That's for sure. The exhaust, I do think it's pretty good for single cylinder motorcycle. It doesn't give you it doesn't just give out the sounds like random sounds. If you want to listen to the exhaust, you have to rev it, you have to get it above 7000 rpm, and you will get that sweet motorcycle sound. I don't usually push motorcycles this hard when I'm not wearing the gear. Nevertheless, I have a place in mind, which is a fuel pump. It's new one and it has pretty good lighting, so I'm trying to get this camera to that place, and I want to see how the video looks under that lighting. Okay. Wind blast. I don't want to hear I don't want to listen to any wind blast. And I have not turned on the wind direction, I guess. See, I have absolutely no clue. I have not messed up with any of the settings of DJI Mic Mini, whether it be the wind direction, noise control, whatever that is, the gain. I have not turned on any of the settings, so this is just raw, real. I just plugged it in, it connected, and boom, I'm right now recording. So I have no idea if there is a bit of wind blast in this. I actually have to go back and then turn on the noise reduction or any such kind of feature that is available, and then try doing this vlog again. This won't be a vlog. I don't think it's gonna end up on YouTube. So this is the petrol pump that I'm talking about. I'm gonna come back to this after that U-turn. Let's go. So this is where I intended to stop. I hope it's recording. Right now I have opened the visor. Should I just look at the video playback? I don't know. It looks beautiful in this lighting right now. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. This gets dirty real fast, man. It doesn't need a lot of splashing, to be honest. It just gets dirty in no time. It looks beautiful. Now again I have to get this thing washed. Look at this. Look here. This and this splashes everywhere. Cool. Let's go. Visor down. Let's go. Boom bat. So, I just checked the footage and the angle needs to be a little bit up because there was too much bike in the frame rather than the way itself. So also another thing, I'm just playing a few songs in my helmet. They might get recorded as well, so enjoy the music, boys. I'm pretty sure if I upload this video onto the YouTube, I'm gonna get copyright strikes. Nah, but who cares? It's all about giving people what they want, man. Let's go. All right, we're back. So we're gonna go back, check the footage and make some necessary adjustments. I do think that we need a bit of angle in these shots. Let's see. That was crazy.